NASA enhances crew safety with Artemis Emergency Egress System by Satori News. With the safety of astronauts as a guiding principle, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, continues to refine its emergency preparedness measures as it embarks on the Artemis missions. Since NASA's earliest space endeavors, such as the Mercury and Gemini programs, the need for a reliable emergency escape mechanism for astronauts during the launch countdown has been of paramount importance. The inclusion of an advanced emergency egress system, starting with Artemis II, demonstrates the agency's commitment to safety innovations. The Exploration Ground Systems (EGS) program, based at Kennedy Space Center in Florida, introduces a new egress strategy utilizing track cables which connect the mobile launcher to a safe zone located at the perimeter of the launch pad. This setup features 4 specialized baskets that operate akin to ski lift gondolas, enabling a quick descent to ground level. Upon reaching the grounds, personnel are swiftly whisked away to safety aboard armored emergency vehicles, ensuring a rapid retreat to one of the triage sites within the Kennedy complex. Amanda Arrieta, a senior element engineer for NASA's EGS program, explains the system's design, stating the 4 baskets are stationed alongside the mobile launcher tower and operate via a wire rope system. In the case of an exigency, the system serves as an alternative egress pathway for the crew and support team. Each basket, roughly the size of a small SUV, can bear the weight of up to 5 individuals, or carry a maximum of 1,500 pounds. The Artemis egress system is meticulously structured to expedite personnel evacuation from the Orion spacecraft or adjacent areas during emergencies. Crew members would egress from a considerable height of 274 feet, equating to about 375 feet above ground level, and glide over a span of 1,335 feet to the safety perimeter. The emergency response procedure concludes with the crew's arrival at a designated triage zone where they receive immediate evaluation and care from emergency response teams. Artemis Launch Director Charlie Blackwell Thompson reiterates the significance of these safety protocols, emphasizing rigorous testing and system readiness as critical elements of the launch process. Commercial partners also adopt various egress systems, with SpaceX implementing a slide wire with baskets at Launch Complex 39A and a deployable chute at Space Launch Complex 40. Boeing and United Launch Alliance, on the other hand, offer a slide wire system with seats at Space Launch Complex 41. While an emergency egress during a launch countdown has never been necessitated in NASA's history, these provisions exist to ensure astronaut safety in every scenario. With the advent of the SLS rocket and Orion spacecraft, the Artemis II mission will serve not only as a trailblazing space venture, but also as a proving ground for the implementation of new and upgraded ground systems, with the emergency egress system center stage in the overall safety architecture. Thank you for choosing Satori News.